Hello everybody, this is Rose here in another video. Just yesterday I was showing you guys my warehouse, how there's so many cars, but now today look at this. Got a few of them leaving. There's only two. This one was supposed to go tomorrow, but apparently there's a winter and they shut it. The guests end up canceling. I still make $40 because she canceled within less than 40 hours. I think less than 24 hours. Because she canceled less than 24 hours, I still make a good $40 in that car. So I'm hoping tonight I get a booking for it to bring it tomorrow. This one is leaving tomorrow. This one is leaving tonight. And other cars leaving tonight. So it's been a very, very interesting journey. And I got a couple more cars outside. Let's see. This one has a recall, so this is not even an option. My Maserati, I'm just keep enjoying it. I don't even think I want to rent it out on Turo, to be honest. I love this car. And this woman right here make things happen. And look at that, they're killing my battery. They forgot to turn on the headlight. Oh my God, these boys. See, that's why when you're a business owner, you got to handle everything. Because if you don't do that, look what they did. They let the light on in the car. My battery, oh, it smells good though. Car smell good. And I love what I'm seeing. I think they did a good job with cleaning this car. So now it's time to hit the road. I'm going to the airport to go drop off these cars. And we'll keep you guys updated. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, I have more videos coming in, but this is how you get cars ready. That's going out for Turo. This Jeep is leaving tomorrow. Oh my God, it's gonna be a fun day. I have about 10 things to do tomorrow, and I'm doing all of them tonight, where I don't have to worry. I can stay home, relax. Man, I'm just so good at this. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you wish to watch more of these videos, please share it with your friends, because if you don't, then I'm gonna have to stop making videos. And I want to make sure I keep you guys posted. I show real stuff. This is the back end. You guys like the back end? If you like the back end, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, thanks again for watching. You guys have a great night.